I've searched the internet and I found this OPPO X8 ULTRA Hasselblad experience. Satisfaction. Thick box, so it should be a lot of accessories. Are we going to find a case? Yes, we do. Every smartphone should have a case included. Very nice from OPPO. And there it is. Very excited. What else will we have? Yes, charger, 100-watt charger, cable, USB type A to C, and a SIM card too. Of course, the converter is included. It looks stunning, and it has that finish which is really nice in the hand. Check out the top lens. This is huge, humongous. Okay, Xiaomi has a bigger lens. Or maybe the same. Yeah, no, bigger. Flat edges. I guess this is a fingerprint sensor or antenna. Power, volume, 2 antennas. Ear blaster, 2 antennas. Mics, well, 3 of them. That's impressive. Dedicated button for shutter, for camera, whatever you want to choose. 2 antennas. SIM card tray, 2 antennas, a lot of antennas. 2 microphones, tons of microphones. And speaker, of course, set of cameras. 1, 2, 3 sensors. Well, you could call it a sensor 2. Wow, so 4 sensor, I guess. This is quite wide, but it feels really nice in the hand. Like I said, let's put a case on it, and with the case, it will protect the camera and a screen. I guess all around, more on the corners, a little bit on the side, and on the top and bottom. Oh, it feels better now. And there it is, and of course, fingerprint sensor, quick, 120 Hz. Do remember that this is just an unboxing experience, full review and camera test coming soon. If we go to the settings, we are greeted with 512 GB storage, silicon carbon battery, which is 6100, and 50-50-50 camera, 100-watt charging, and 50-watt wireless charging. Because this is just unboxing, let me go directly to our camera, and we do have a dedicated shutter button. I guess if we tap it twice, we are in a camera. And camera it is. Wow, such a beauty. We can do all kinds of zoom action. Maybe if we turn down a little bit lower. Well, 121. That is super impressive, and how clean that is. Extremely clean. We do have video in 4K 120 with the latest update. Master for JPEG Max, RAW, and RAW Max. Let's test the camera. This motherfucker got all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. There's video stabilization. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate. It's a little bit more time, but it will do that. Why? Because it wants to brighten up my face. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Yes, we do. The amount of details is amazing. There's also a second feature which you won't be able to find in any other smartphone. 1x, 2x, and seamless zoom all the way to wide angle 0.8, which is outstanding. I mean, the quality is wow. Switching to the wide angle lens. And with the wide angle lens, very wide, video stabilization, a little bit of colors for you. Colors, autofocus is available. How good it is? Well, we'll have to do a macro. Really good. Wow, you can get so close. Super macro. Let's move on. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like from the wide angle lens. And the main one, which also looks brilliant. But I think we'll have to go back to the wide angle and test the round object, which is super difficult for the cameras. Oh, it's focusing instantly. Super impressive. What about the main lens? Instant focus. Shockingly impressive. What if we choose something different, like leaves? Bokeh effect. Whoa. Really nice bokeh. Super cool. I think it's time for the telephoto. But before we do that, this smartphone has also a noise cancellation feature. Let me turn it on. Do we hear any difference? Do you hear wind noise? Do you hear birds, water, or just me? What if I go to the front-facing camera? I mean, in the front of the front-facing... No, that's the rear camera. Anyway, is it sound better or worse? Let me switch it off. Let me switch it off. Now it's off. Do we hear any difference? Let's move on. Telephoto, which could be the best in the market, and I'm not talking about the range, which is still really good, but the share of quality of that image. Clean optical magnification. Audio zoom test. Zoom in all the way to 30x. Super impressive. And 10x.
Choices that I compromise, a future version, wiser and bright, watching me now with a chance of light. Be kind to the one who's yet to be. Make choices that set your soul free. Invest in the moments that are yet to come, and your future self will thank you one by one.
For subscribers, I'm gonna place the link in the description and in the comments to download original photos and videos, no compression. We're gonna compare it to Xiaomi Ultra in the next video, Vivo, iPhone, and maybe even more. Full tests coming soon. Like and subscribe. In the end, I think this could be the best camera in the smartphone ever, especially that telephoto, which is optically a masterpiece. Hasselblad. That's something. See you next video.